Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to harvest some peppers. The calendar may say October, but it doesn't matter to my peppers. They are producing out of their minds. All of them, the Scotch bonnets, the Dulce, the jalapenos, and the longhorn. Oh, and I also forgot my bell pepper. So we're here at the cowhorn long pepper, and they are producing. We have nice red ripe one here. I'm going to go ahead and take off as many as I can, those that are ripe, and a few green as well. Here I'm harvesting jalapenos, I'm sorry, Scotch bonnets and jalapenos, and it's quite a few of them. So in a few minutes you'll see exactly what we got and how many peppers. So these are my Hosinator bell peppers, and they're pretty much located about 3 feet away from my hot peppers. We're going to harvest a lot of the bell peppers. I purchased these seeds when they were seeds from Haas Tools. You will see in a few that some of the bell peppers have been cross-pollinated with some of the hot peppers, and they actually look like large hot peppers. Instead of being dark green, they're actually lime green, and they're growing on the same plant. But it doesn't matter to me. I'm still going to use them when I'm cooking, and any harvest is a good harvest. So you're going to see in a few bell pepper there and a cross-pollinated bell pepper here, and they came from the same plant. I think it's pretty interesting how that happens, but either way, like I said, it doesn't matter to me. I will be using them to cook with. So this will probably be my final harvest of peppers for a while. We're heading into what is supposed to be the cooler season for my area, and after filming this film, my jalapeno plant actually died due to cold weather. So look at my harvest. Nice harvest of bell peppers and a very nice harvest of hot peppers. Thank you for coming along with me while we did this. I am truly surprised that the peppers are still producing. The temperature has changed recently. At night, it's in the 40s. In the daytime, during the 70s. Maybe that's what the peppers needed. It's not as hot as it was. And they seem to be thriving. The new pepper plants that I put out are also doing well. They're growing. Excuse me. They're growing and doing well. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember, if you have seeds, put them in the ground. Everybody should be able to grow their own food, especially the way our country is right now with the prices and stuff like that. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.